Today's special lesson is about words that start with EX. EX at the beginning of words can be pronounced in 3 different ways. But before we get into that, let's look at the letter X itself. It can be pronounced with a KS, X, X, like in tax and relax. It can also be pronounced with a Z sound, Z, like in xylophone and xenophobe. Now let's go back to the 3 different pronunciations of EX at the beginning of words. It can be pronounced with a short E sound plus KS. Short E, KS, X, X. Or it can be pronounced with a short I sound plus G plus Z. Short I, plus G, egg, plus Z, eggs. Or with a short I sound plus KS, short I, X, X. Let's look at some examples. In our first group of examples, EX is pronounced with a short E sound plus KS, X, and it's a stressed syllable, like in the word execute. Execute. EX has a short E sound, plus KS, X, execute. X is stressed. Our next example is executing. X is also stressed. Next example, exercise, excellent, extra, expert. EX is pronounced with a short I sound plus G plus Z, short I, plus G, egg, plus Z, eggs, eggs, when it's an unstressed syllable, like in the word executive. Z is stressed. Egg is unstressed. Executive. Exam. Zam is stressed. Egg is not. Exam. Example. Exist. Exaggerate. And exact. We have 2 groups of examples where EX is an unstressed syllable. EX is pronounced with a short I sound plus KS, like in the word exciting. Sigh is stressed. Ick is not. Experience. Spe is stressed. Ick is not. Experience. Explain. Explore. And exclude. Why does it keep changing? When EX is stressed, it has a short E sound, like in execute, exercise, excellent. And it has a short I sound when it's not stressed. Now, notice the spelling. In this group, EX is followed by a vowel. In the word executive, EX is followed by the vowel E. In the word exam, EX is followed by the letter A. And that's also true with the rest of our examples. EX is followed by a vowel, with an I, with an A, with an A. Let's look at the second group of examples. Here we have EX as an unstressed syllable, like in the words exciting, experience, explain. Let's look at the spelling. We have EX followed by a letter C in exciting. And it's followed by the letter P in experience. Again, with the letter P in explain. In these examples, EX is followed by a consonant, and it's pronounced with a short I sound in a KS, X. In the first group of examples, where EX is in an unstressed syllable, EX is followed by a vowel. So that's the secret. If you're wondering about stressed and unstressed syllables, there is a course that you'll be able to take. It's coming up soon from Mars CSL School. Also, if you want to learn about the difference between the short E sound and the short I sound, you can take my course, 6 Sounds of the Vowels E and I, which is available right now. Visit marscslschool.com for more information.